This 2022 Grand Design Solitude 382WB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.